To computer science tutorials. Today we are going to see about the supervisor learning technique. In supervisor learning technique, we talk about two agents, supervisor and learning agent. Training data acts as supervisor and algorithm. Our machine learning algorithm acts as learning agent. Learning agent learns from the training data. Here we provide labeled data as training data. Training data is labeled data. What is labeled data? For example, x is input and y is output of this input. Here we mapping correct output to input and giving this as training data to the model, to the algorithm, so that it can understand what is correct output for the input. For example, in this example, there are various shapes: triangle, circle, hexagon, etc., and we are providing labels. What shape is circle, what shape is triangle, and what shape is hexagon. So by this data, algorithm gets trained algorithm gets trained and it is now ready to identify what is the label of the shape. And here we provided unlabeled data as input to the model. This is unlabeled data. This is also called as test data. We provided test data to the model and the model gives the accurate output. That is, this shape belongs to circle category, this shape belongs to triangle category. So this is how our supervisor learning technique works. Now let's see the kinds of supervisor learning algorithms. Supervisor learning algorithms can be in two forms: classification, regression. Classification algorithms deals with the classification problems like yes or no, whether rain occurs or does not occurs, rain occurs or does not occurs. It purely deals with the classification problems or categorical problems. We have to put the data, test data, into some category based on the features. Regression algorithms. It deals with continuous data, continuous data like price, age, salary, etc. Let's see some example to understand the regression technique clearly. For example, in an organization, there are two features: experience and salary. Salary. Whenever, for example, take some values: 0, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 10k, 25k, 50k. What is the relationship between these two features? Whenever experience increases, salary increases. It gives us a straight line. Here. It gives straight line. This is called linear regression problem. There are also other types of regressions available in this under this technique. So we will discuss it in on later videos. So this is simply about supervisor learning. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Please encourage my work. Thank you for watching my video.